Hi, welcome back for math time. Each morning in first grade, we begin with a math meeting. Usually in math meeting, we count, we work on our calendar, we review our months of the year, we also review our days of the week. We're also counting by ones, twos, fives, and tens. After we're finished counting by these different types of numbers, we look at a number pattern like the one I'm holding here. Our pattern today is 50, 45, 40. The first thing we think about is whether the numbers are counting up or down. In this case, the numbers are counting down. 50. The smaller number is 45. The smaller number is 40. Now we want to know how they're counting down. What is the pattern? Well, we know that 50 is 5 more than 45. So they must be counting by fives, counting down by fives. 50, 45, 40. Our next number would be 35. Then 30. And we will finish with 25. Our number pattern for today was counting down by fives. In your math, you're going to be reviewing subtraction problems. Remember, subtraction means take away. I'd like you to go get your number 9 wrap around now. It also has a number 9 on the back here. Don't look at the answer key. Try to stay on the front. We're going to work through this together. This is actually my second take of the video because Mrs. Van Alstyne wasn't careful where her string went. So remember, it's really important that you take your time, you're careful where your string goes and where you start on the wraparound. That way your lines will match on the back. So to begin, it says start your arrow here. Well, it's tempting to just come straight to the start point. We're actually going to go behind, follow this line along, and begin our start point this way. That was my mistake last time. So we work on these at least once a week, but I don't want you to forget to begin your start point around the back to the front so you're not frustrated with your results. We're going to begin with a math problem, 10 take away 2, or 2 less than 10. 8 is 2 less than 10. Now we're going to wrap the string around the back and down to the very next math problem. 10 take away 5, or 5 less than 10. Equals 5. Now we're going to wrap around the back again, all the way up to the front. 10 take away 8 equals 2. Then come back around the back, down to our next problem, 10 take away 0. If we have 10 and we take away nothing, or the number 0, we will still be left with 10. Now move around the back, all the way over to the next math problem. Be sure not to skip down with your string. You want to come right up to this 10 take away 7. 10 take away 7, or 7 less than 10, is going to give you 3. Around the back again, back to your next math problem, 10 take away 4. 10 take away 4 is 6. Wrap around and back up. 10 take away 10. That will leave us with nothing. If we had 10 and we take all 10 away, we have the number 0. Back down again. 10 take away 3. 10 take away 3 equals 7. Now that we're on our 7 nodule here, we want to move it all the way back around again to the 10 take away 9. 10 take away 9 equals 1. Back around again to the 10 take away 1. 10 take away 1, or 1 less than 10, is 9. Back around again to 10 take away 6 equals 4. Then you want to come back around, move to your last nodule here, and then you see the smiley face. You're going to kind of come in between and secure your string there. When you turn it over, you should see that all your lines line up this time. And you have completed your subtraction wraparound. Remember, the wraparound is to help you memorize these facts so that you get quicker each time you solve the math problem. Today in math, you're going to be working on subtraction facts. So we're on lesson 124. You're working on sides A and B. Another way to say subtraction or takeaway is the difference. Remember, there's lots of words for that subtraction sign. Take away, minus the difference. So you're going to find the difference of these numbers, 10 take away 5, just like we practiced on our wraparound. If you notice your student is having difficulty with these concepts, I would find something you have around the house. Noodles, coffee beans, pinto beans, in my case, marshmallows, because it's always fun to eat after you're finished using. And I have 10 here, so if we counted these together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All of our facts that we worked on using our wraparound began with 10. So you're going to have 10, and if we have something like 10 take away 2, 1, 2, you're going to be able to look at the results. Equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 take away 2 will equal 8. That would look like this. 10 take away 2 equals 8. So if you are having difficulty, you may use math counters or marshmallows or anything you have around the house. It'd probably be wiser to use beans because you can wash them off and actually eat them when you're done. I plan on eating these marshmallows today since I'm the only one touching them. But that's a great tip to help you if you're struggling with subtraction. See you soon.